Breathe deeply and let your sense of sight wander far and wide across the river valley. Exploring the Moselle Valley, especially the town of Cochem, is one of the best things to do if you want to experience one of Germany's most beautiful regions. There are countless cozy wine villages along the Moselle River, as well as fantastic viewpoints and its famous fairy tale castle erected on top of the hill overlooking the scenic panoramic view. As you combine the elegance of the landscape, the picturesque wine villages, well-manicured stunning vineyards and traditional taverns that offers exquisite specialties, it is no surprise that Moselle Valley provides you with a wonderful, relaxing holiday. So if you're in around Germany and are not sure if the town of Cochem should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Cochem. The town is easy to explore on foot. From the central train station, it will take you around 10 minutes to reach the beautiful town center. The train station looks old but elegant inside and out, welcomes every arriving visitors to the town. Despite its relatively small size, there are plenty of things to do in Cochem. You will experience walking in the beautiful park along the river with the surrounding hills. As you aim to move closer to the admirable castle from afar, the pretty bridge also lends a special charm to the town. You can enjoy watching the kayaking activity and the large passenger ships moving on the river. I have observed that not only me but also the rest of the visitors really enjoy the delightful stroll in the riverfront promenade. As you enter the town center, you will be welcomed with its narrow cobbled streets. The tiny town square is lined with gorgeous medieval buildings. In terms of shopping, your town center shopping experience thrives on the diverse range of shops and restaurants, the inviting atmospheres of the streets and squares, and the ambience of the old town. As I continue to stroll through the winding alleys of the historic old town, I finally made myself to the market square, arguably the most interesting and visited square. In the center of the rectangular market square is the imposing market fountain, dating from 1906. Surrounding the market square are historic half-timbered houses and old town houses, as well as the town hall of Cochem. Facing the fountain, you can find St. Martin Church with its conspicuous tower. The main pedestrian zone passes underneath it. The Church of St. Martin and its amazing stained glass windows invites all visitors to witness their intense three-dimensional colorfulness. The first thing you'll notice about Cochem is the castle that crowns the hilltop, with its more than 1,000 years of history. Walking up to the castle requires good stamina. One must walk through the winding hilly path, but reaching the top, you are rewarded with one of the most stunning views over the city and the Moselle River. Cochem's Reichsburg Castle is more than just a castle. Visitors will experience the impressive interior design of the rooms, including the Knights Hall, Dining Hall, Hunting Room, and many more. It is the town's landmark and stands on the prominent hilltop 154 meters above sea level above the town. Some of the historic rooms are available for rent for private celebrations, and the castle chapel can be used for weddings. So if you're thinking about exploring the Moselle Valley region, don't miss out on the beautiful medieval town of Cochem, a beautiful destination to visit all year round. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!